Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the zoom background on Android. This is a quick and easy tutorial for you. So if you have a zoom installed on your Android device, please try to keep up to date. Now you can access zoom and try to update your zoom workplace. If you don't have zoom, you can try to install the zoom workplace as your a meeting online app. Here, after the update, now you can open. So here, in order to change your virtual background, you can do it. You cannot do it on settings. Usually you can access it by tap on meeting settings, and video settings or general settings. Now you cannot find the option. In order to change it, you must start new meeting or join new meeting. Now let's practice by starting meeting. Now meetings begin. So in order to change your virtual background, you can access the toolbar. Now tap apps, and here you can access virtual backgrounds. Discover perfect virtual backgrounds. Tap it, and now virtual background is powered by Pexels. There are 4 categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. So choose your favorite and tap on set background. If you encounter the error, make sure you have good internet connection, or you can consider use a green screen to enhance the background quality. And also you can set your background into the blurry one by tap 3 dot beside search pixel filter, and this is the blur option. You can tap it. So feel free to try this set or change your virtual background on Zoom Workplace. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.